The second part of specified extensions in the extensions under load method typically involves adding an elongation of inch per inch of gauge length. A 0.2, B 2.02, C 0.02, D 0.002. The correct answer is 0.002. The modulus of elasticity of steel is pounds per square inch. A 65 lakhs, B 1 crore, C 3 crores, D 1000. The correct answer is 3 crores. Tension testing must be accurate within a percentage of A 2, B 1, C 32, D 21. The correct answer is 32. If the expected yield strength of a material is 50,000 pounds per square inch and modulus of elasticity is 10,000, what is the normal elongation of the material? A 50,000 inch per inch gauge length, B 5 inch per inch gauge length, C 50 inch per inch gauge length, D 5 inch per inch gauge length. The correct answer is 5 inch per inch gauge length. In the Charpy test, the notch faces from the pendulum. A towards, B to 0 C away, D around. The correct answer is away. Which of the following impact test method is preferred these days? A impact test, B reverse bend test, C flattening test, D Charpy test. The correct answer is Charpy test. In which method is there usage of a pair of dividers? A set method, B divider method, C drop of beam method, D dividend method. The correct answer is divider method. In which method of determination of yield point is the load applied uniformly on the beam? A divider method, B high beam method, C drop of beam method, D extension under load method. The correct answer is drop of beam method. The Charpy test, which is a type of impact test, measures the absorbed by a specimen. A heat, B energy, C length, D breadth. The correct answer is energy. Which of the following are standard impact tests? A Izod test and flattening test, B Izod test and Charpy test, C flattening test and reverse bend, D Charpy test and reverse bend test. The correct answer is Izod test and Charpy test. The yield point can be determined in A wood, B carbon, C pure molybdenum, D mild carbon steel. The correct answer is mild carbon steel. The extension under load method is easier to use in finding yield strength because A no necessity to plot a curve, B it is not easier, C it is the only method available, D randomness. The correct answer is no necessity to plot a curve. To obtain consistent results in finding properties of materials, the specimen must be have A no scratches, B straightened, C washed with methyl, D bent. The correct answer is no scratches. What is the yield point of a material? A change in the strain of a material, B the ratio of proof stress to the area, C the elasticity of a material, D point where there is a substantial increase in elongation without a rise in load. The correct answer is point where there is a substantial increase in elongation without a rise in load. What does length AC in the diagram represent? A yield gauge, B yield strength, C set, D yield point. The correct answer is set. The yield point of a material does not exist for those materials that have a region in that space of the stress-strain curve. A smooth, B shift, C turbulent, D high. The correct answer is smooth. The yield strength of a material is A. The proof stress of a material. B. The strain where the strength of material fails. C. The elongation. D. The particular stress where a material shows specified elongation under a load. The correct answer is the particular stress where a material shows specified elongation under a load. In the Charpy test, the tensile specimen being tested is on both sides. A. Threaded. B. Axed. C. Flattened. D. Heated. The correct answer is threaded. There is often no choice between the two methods of determination of yield strength available, as it is predetermined. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. Tension test can give us the yield strength of a material. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is true.